How to turn $5 a day into $100,000 with compound interest. What if I told you that $5 a day could make you 100,000-aire? No lottery tickets, no crypto moonshots, just a boring, reliable system that wealthy people have been quietly using for centuries. And here's the kicker. Most people ignore it, not because it doesn't work, but because it works too slowly at first. Let me guess, you've spent $5 today already, right? Maybe on coffee, Uber Eats, or a random emergency Amazon cart situation. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if that same $5 could be building you actual wealth right now? Because $5 a day isn't just pocket change, it's a financial time machine. And today I'm showing you exactly how to use it. The transformation. Part 1, understanding the power of compound interest. Let's break this down. Compound interest is what happens when your money earns money, and then that money earns money, and then that money earns money forever. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it's tiny, cute even, but give it time, and suddenly it's an avalanche. Albert Einstein supposedly called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Whether he said it or not, the results speak for themselves. $5 a day equals $150 a month. Invest that consistently with an average 10% return, hello, S&P 500. And in about 35 years, you're looking at over $100,000. Now I know what you're thinking. 35 years? I'll be old. Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to cut that time in half. But first, part 2, why most people fail to build wealth. Here's the brutal truth. Most people underestimate what small, consistent habits can do, and they overestimate what they can accomplish in a week. We live in a world that worships instant gratification. Why invest $5 when you can get a dopamine hit from DoorDash? But that mindset, it's the reason people wake up at 40 and wonder where all their money went. Quick check. How many subscriptions are draining your bank account right now? Be honest. That $14.99 free trial from 3 months ago is laughing at you. The wealth gap isn't just about income. It's about decisions repeated daily. You don't need a raise, you need a routine. Part 3, how to make compound interest work for you. So how do you actually turn $5 a day into $100,000? Simple. Automate your contributions. Use apps like Acorns, Fidelity, or Vanguard to set and forget. Pick index funds or ETFs. Think broad market, low fee, long-term plays. Leave it alone. The magic only works if you don't touch it. Even if you only start with $5, consistency crushes intensity. And if you get a raise, increase your investment. If you get a bonus, invest that too. Your money is an employee. Give it a job and let it work while you sleep. Part 4, time versus timing. Why starting early beats starting big. Here's the most important takeaway in this entire video. Time matters more than amount. Let's say you start investing $150 per month at age 20. You'll hit $100,000 before someone who starts at 30 and invests double. Why? Because the early money has more time to grow. It's not about being rich next year. It's about being financially unbothered for the rest of your life. And if you're thinking, but I'm already behind, let me be clear. The second best time to start is today. The revelation, mindset shift. Part 5, from broke to building wealth. It's a mindset game. This isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about identity. Wealthy people don't wait for windfalls. They build systems, habits, momentum. $5 a day is more than an amount. It's a signal to your future self that says, I've got you. I'm building the life you want, even when it doesn't feel glamorous. So ask yourself, would you rather look rich today or actually be rich tomorrow? Here's your cheat code. Discipline in your 20s buys freedom in your 30s. Freedom to travel, to create, to live on your own terms. Leave them thinking. So the next time someone tells you $5 won't change your life, smile, because you'll know better. In fact, what if I told you there's a way to double your investment returns without investing a single extra dollar? Yeah, that's part 2. And if you want it, Drop a comment and hit subscribe, because this is just the beginning. You're not here to stay broke. You're here to build generational wealth, starting with just $5. See you in the next one.